Hey guys, Lucas here from Vintage Surplus, and today we're going to talk about a pretty big IFAK pouch. Alright, so what we got here is a USMC IFAK pouch. It's the A1 variant, so it's I think it's one of their older ones, or it's just their bigger one they issue out as well. But it's just a pretty big IFAK pouch. It's bigger than what you're going to find as far as a standard issue Army one. It's definitely wider, taller, but other than that, it's pretty much the same thing. Got a good buckled flap right here, not adjustable, which is, whatever. And then inside you have a open pouch, but it does have a divider in there, which makes it great for separating medical supplies based on what you need. You can have your basic stuff up front, more advanced stuff in back, however need be. And it's also just good for a GP pouch, so you can kind of organize your stuff in there. It is kind of flat. It doesn't really billow out like a lot of other pouches quite as much. It does some, but not as much as other ones would. So that's inside of it. Again, a good buckled flap. And on the back, it's going to MOLLE to whatever you need to MOLLE to. So it's just a good, large IFAK pouch. It's good to go. Hey guys, hope you enjoy this pouch. It's a big IFAK. Got a lot of purposes. Can be used as just a great general purpose pouch. Overall, just a really good pouch. Another one from the USMC that kind of knocks it out of the ballpark. But yeah, make sure to hit on VintageSurplus.com, pick you one up, and pick up all the medical supplies to fill it up with.